after the first time I did a French braid on her, she looked up, she looked in the mirror and then looked up at me and said, "You did a good job, Daddy." And that's the first time I really made my daughter proud. Being a single dad, it was a challenge for me to do her hair. I've been shaving my head for about 16 years now, and I could barely even do a ponytail.
Tell everybody what you did.
A bubble braid.
You did that bubble braid all by yourself?
Yes.
Just something that we like to do together, plus it makes her feel special because she looks really pretty when she goes out in public and people ask her, "Oh, did your mommy do that?" And then she looks up and she says, "No, my daddy did it." It's not about being perfect, it's not about perfection, it's about being present. Doing your daughter's hair is not a competition. It's really just to make her feel confident, make her feel proud, and really a way to help bond with your kids.